Hey drivers, David here, your trusted mechanic, and today we're diving deep into CVT transmissions. You know, just last week, I had a customer bring in their Nissan with a completely failed CVT. The repair bill? A whopping $4,000. But here's the kicker, it could have been prevented. In this video, I'm sharing 5 critical mistakes that I see destroying CVTs every single day in my shop. Plus, I'll give you some insider tips that could literally double your transmission's lifespan. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 3. It's something almost every CVT owner does wrong. Understanding CVT technology. Before we dive into the mistakes, let's get our hands dirty with some CVT basics. Unlike your traditional automatic that has fixed gears, a CVT uses a fascinating system of belts and pulleys. Think of it like this. A traditional automatic is like a 10-speed bicycle, where you clunk from one gear to the next. A CVT, it's more like having an infinite number of gears. That's why acceleration feels so smooth. There's no gear hunting, just pure, continuous power delivery. Let's look at the key components. Each of these parts works under incredible pressure and precision. We're talking about a metal belt running between pulleys that can adjust their width instantly, all while handling the full power of your engine. Mistake number 1, the neutral trap. First up, this is a big one, folks, shifting to neutral at stoplights. I can't tell you how many times I've seen CVTs damaged by this simple habit. Here's the science behind why this kills your CVT. Your CVT maintains specific fluid pressure at all times. Think of it like blood pressure in your body. When you shift to neutral, you're disrupting this pressure balance. The transmission has to rebuild proper pressure every time you shift back to drive. In my shop, I've measured these pressure changes. Normal operating pressure, 250 to 300 PS. I pressure drop in neutral, down to 50 PS. I time to rebuild pressure, 0.5 to 1 second. That might not sound like much, but multiply that stress hundreds of times over your daily commute. It's like repeatedly squeezing and releasing a balloon. Eventually, it's going to fail. Bonus, tips and prevention. Let me share some pro tips that we use in the shop. Fluid analysis, what to look for in your fluid color indicators of wear. Temperature management, installing temp gauges, optimal operating ranges, warning signs to watch for driving techniques, smooth acceleration patterns, proper warm-up procedures, cold weather considerations. All right, drivers, you're now armed with professional-grade knowledge about your CVT. Remember, these transmissions can last a long time with proper care. I've seen them go well over 200,000 miles. Speaking of care, if you enjoyed this deep dive, you'll love our video on tire shredding. It's got some surprising connections to transmission health. Check it out right here. For more detailed guides and maintenance tips, head over to yourmotorcare.com. We've got comprehensive maintenance schedules and troubleshooting guides waiting for you there. Drop a comment below with your CVT experiences or questions. I personally read every comment and love hearing your stories. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to catch all our detailed repair guides and maintenance tips. Until next time, this is David, keeping you and your ride running smooth.